Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add or remove frame in Facebook profile picture. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First thing first, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to update your application to the latest version. So then head over to your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook application, this is what the interface is going to look like. You'll have to tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner of your screen. Once you do that, on the other interface, you'll be directed to your profile page. So first of all, let me show you by adding a frame to my profile picture. So in order to add a frame to your profile picture, tap on the camera icon located right in the corner of your profile picture. And after that, you have a drop down menu. So from there, tap on add frame. Once you tap on add frame, you have a list of options, and you can even tap on see all in order to have a multiple option. So then select the frame that you like, and after you're done selecting the frame, just tap on the save button right in the corner, and you can see right at the bottom there is a notification, and here it says that uploading your profile photo. As you can see that the frame has been added to my profile picture. So in order to remove the frame in Facebook profile, all you need to do is do the same procedure, that is tap on the camera icon located next to your profile picture. Once you tap on it, a drop down box will appear, and after that right at the bottom you'll have an option as switch to previous picture. So all you need to do is tap on switch to previous picture, and then the frame on your profile picture will be removed automatically. So that is how you can add or remove frame in Facebook profile picture. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.